Hi TurtleGate team, I'm recording a video to illustrate an issue that we're having. We've purchased a gate from you, and at this stage we're using the deadman mode on the PCB and using the O1 and C1 and O2 and C2 options to open and close both sides of the gates and the motors. And as you can see here, the motor on the left hand side of our gate opens and closes without any issues, hits the hard stops without any sort of problems. However, when we try to do the same with the right hand side motor in our scenario here, the motor will extend and close the gate, and as soon as the gate hits the hard stop, the fuse is blowing and it's stopping operation. It won't do anything else. As you can see here, I'm going to pull out the fuse in a moment and show it to the camera, but the fuse for the right hand side of our gate is blowing every time it hits the hard stop. Now you've seen it blow a fuse when it hits the hard stop when we're closing the gate. The video cuts off here for a black screen for a moment, but I'm also gonna record again. I've replaced the fuse and I'm using deadman mode to open the gate fully until it hits the hard stop, and as soon as it hit the hard stop, again I call the cameraman over to demonstrate how the fuse is once again blowing. And this is impeding us from completing the installation, as we can't go through the learning process because when the right hand side of our gate hits any of the hard stops, which is necessary for the learning process, the fuse blows and the PCB cuts off. I would like to get your input on this and maybe discuss some possible solution. Either there's something that can be done, a different setting, or something that can be adjusted on the motor, or alternatively maybe have a separate motor sent. Thank you.